Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a true classic, the iconic 1967 Volkswagen Beetle. This legendary car has been a favorite for generations, combining quirky charm, reliability, and a driving experience unlike anything else. What we have here is a beautiful sand-colored example, complete with a matching sand interior, and I can't wait to walk you through every detail, from the exterior styling to the driving performance and even the pricing in today's market. So buckle up, and let's get started. Exterior. The 1967 Volkswagen Beetle, often affectionately called the Bug, carries that instantly recognizable silhouette that has become a symbol of automotive history. This sand-colored model looks stunning under natural light. The muted, warm tone highlights the Beetle's curvy, rounded body panels perfectly. One thing you notice immediately is the simplicity and elegance of the design. No aggressive lines or sharp angles here, just smooth curves that flow from the hood to the rear engine cover. Up front, you'll find the classic round headlights that give the car its friendly, almost smiling face. The chrome bumpers add a touch of sophistication, reflecting the era in which this car was produced. The small VW emblem sits proudly on the hood, a subtle reminder of the brand's heritage. If you look at the sides, the proportions are compact but perfectly balanced. The wheel arches are prominent, and the hubcaps gleam beautifully against the sand-colored steel wheels. One of my favorite details is the chrome trim running along the sides. It's understated, yet adds just the right amount of visual interest. Moving to the rear, the engine cover with its small, round taillights and classic Beetle curves is simply iconic. The rear chrome bumper mirrors the front, maintaining symmetry. Even today, over 50 years later, the design feels timeless. And let's not forget the little details like the windshield wipers, the simple yet functional door handles, and the slightly curved rear window, which gives it a very classic feel. From every angle, this sand-colored 1967 Beetle exudes nostalgia and charm. Interior. Now, stepping inside, the interior is just as captivating. This Beetle comes with a sand-colored interior that perfectly complements the exterior. The first thing you notice is the minimalist design. No unnecessary clutter, just pure functionality. The dashboard is simple and clean, featuring a large speedometer in the center with smaller gauges flanking it. The steering wheel is thin and elegant, offering just the right amount of feedback while driving. The seats are upholstered in matching sand fabric, giving the cabin a warm, inviting feel. Despite its age, the seats are surprisingly comfortable for short to medium drives, though don't expect the plush luxury of modern cars. The rear bench provides space for 2 passengers, though legroom is modest. This is a compact car after all. Storage options are limited, with a small glove compartment and the front trunk providing the main storage space. One of my favorite interior details is the classic window crank handles. Yes, these windows are manual. It's a tactile experience that reminds you of how driving used to be. The pedals are basic and responsive, and the gear shifter sits on the floor in a comfortable position. The cabin is simple, functional, and exudes vintage charm. Every element feels authentic and period correct, making it a true collector's car for enthusiasts. Performance. Under the hood, the 1967 Beetle has its rear-mounted, air-cooled 1.6-liter flat-4 engine. Now, don't expect modern sports car performance here. The engine produces around 53 horsepower, which might sound modest, but for the lightweight Beetle, it's plenty for a fun and relaxed driving experience. The acceleration is leisurely by today's standards, but that's part of the charm. The handling is quirky but enjoyable. With a rear-engine layout, the Beetle can feel a bit tail-heavy in tight corners, but on straight roads, it glides along smoothly. The suspension is soft, soaking up bumps without jostling passengers too much. Steering is light, giving a very direct feel of the road, though at higher speeds, you'll want to stay focused as it doesn't have the stability of modern vehicles. Braking is basic drum brakes on all 4 corners, so stopping distances are longer than modern cars, but perfectly acceptable for city and casual driving. One thing enthusiasts love about the Beetle is its simplicity. almost everything is mechanical, easy to maintain, and durable. It's a car that rewards patience and appreciation for classic engineering. And while it won't win any drag races, the Beetle's character and personality make it far more memorable than raw speed ever could. Price and value. Now let's talk numbers. The 1967 Volkswagen Beetle is a highly sought-after collector's car, and prices vary widely based on condition, originality, and location. For a well-maintained sand-colored model like this one, you can expect to pay anywhere from $20,000 to $35,000 in today's market. Fully restored examples with original parts and matching interiors can fetch even higher prices, sometimes reaching $40,000 or more. The great thing about the Beetle is its affordability compared to other classic cars. Maintenance costs are relatively low, spare parts are abundant, and the community of enthusiasts is huge, making it easy to find support and advice. If you're looking for a car that's fun to drive, easy to own, and full of personality, the 1967 Beetle is a fantastic investment. Not only do you get a piece of automotive history, but you also join a global club of Beetle lovers who appreciate the timeless charm of this car. To sum it up, the 1967 Volkswagen Beetle in sand color is a perfect blend of history, style, and simplicity. Its iconic exterior design, charming sand interior, unique driving experience, and relatively reasonable prices make it an excellent choice for collectors, enthusiasts, and even casual drivers who appreciate classic cars. It's not about speed or modern luxury, it's about nostalgia, character, and the pure joy of driving a car that has stood the test of time. If you're passionate about classic cars, the Beetle is more than just a car, it's an experience, a statement, and a rolling piece of history. And for those who love attention-grabbing style without being flashy, this sand-colored model hits all the right notes. So, if you ever have the chance to own or drive a 1967 Volkswagen Beetle, take it. You won't regret it. Alright guys, that wraps up our in-depth look at this incredible 1967 Volkswagen Beetle. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more classic car content, and comment below. I'd love to hear which classic cars you want me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.